Hello, tax deed investors. Today, I'm so excited to talk about how you can benefit from a tax deed auction with $0. I really literally tell my newbies, people that are first time investing in tax deeds, to go to an auction not only to learn the process, but also how you can make money without even investing in a tax deed. This is one of the many reasons why I love tax deeds. You may not have heard about it because a lot of people don't talk about it, but it's called tax deed overages, surplus funds, or excess funds. So if you're a newbie and you're wanting to learn how to do tax deeds, however, you may not have just the quite money that you want to invest, I would say invest in overages. And what I mean by that is it's pretty much research. So when COVID hit, I was no longer able to go to public auctions. And so what ended up happening is I just started researching different tools, and I realized that out of all the auctions that I had been to, that there were overages to collect. So let's talk about that. What that means is that when you go to a tax deed auction, there's always a minimum bid. If a person bids over that minimum bid, it's called an excess fund or an overage. So let's just say, for example, the minimum bid on a property is $10,000, right? And then someone bids up that tax deed property to $100,000. Now there's $90,000 worth of overage. And you, as a tax deed investor, can actually locate the claimant as a third party and help them access that money. And you may be wondering, okay, well, how do I get that money? Well, in certain states, in certain counties, you as a third party can collect that $90,000 and you can do a commission split with the owner. If you want to know more, go to my YouTube channel. It's Tax Deeds and Overage Education, and I talk all about it.